Check out this Jeep 2018 Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 3-XM satellite radio, black heritage tan leather trim seats with Sahara logo included, leather-wrapped park brake handle number 1 seat foam cushion premium wrapped IP bezels, leather-wrapped shift knob, trailer tow and HD electrical group included, Class 2 receiver hitch 240 amp alternator 7 and 4-pin wiring harness 700 amp maintenance-free battery auxiliary switches, black clear coat, engine, 2.0 Li4 DOHCD turbo with torque included, delete alternator 700 amp maintenance-free battery supplemental heater 48V belt starter generator, Apple CarPlay, body color 3-piece hard top included, rear window defroster freedom panel storage bag rear window wiper washer, transmission, 8-speed